Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Looking at our stats from the month of April, our average temperatures fell slightly below average by less than a half a degree. Not too bad. Precip-wise, though, we were below average. We saw just over 2.5 inches of precip, and that takes us below the average by over a quarter of an inch. When we really compare the monthly temperature trends since January, you can see where we really have been below average by nearly 10 degrees through the month of March. But this month, we really caught up, and it was again close to an average month. Cool and breezy for today. Spotty showers return this afternoon and evening. We should see some sunshine though and drier weather by the end of the weekend. Here we go with our hour-by-hour forecast again this afternoon. Spotty showers in the mix, and then once the sun sets, we lose that instability and daytime heating that tend to generate those showers, and things dry out a bit. And then tomorrow afternoon, more of the same. Spotty showers, and then an area of low pressure rotating through on Saturday will bring more widespread, maybe even a little bit heavier rain in the morning hours on Saturday. Temperatures today 57 for a high, and then lows tonight will drop back into the low to mid 40s. A little cool again starting out. We'll be in the upper 50s through the weekend, into the 60s though next week. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great day.